Hello guys, Captain Fry here with the mob farm concept using slime blocks and piston worms. So as you can see, we have two piston worms with the slime blocks, row of slime blocks between them, and so they move and they move all the slime blocks with them. We have the melons as the spawning floor, but you can also use obsidian if you like. It just looks nicer with the leaves, I guess. Leaves are here so the mobs won't fall down wrong way, I guess, and they don't stick to the slime blocks. So this works by using one tick pulse with the comparator going into itself on the subtract mode. And yeah, so let me show you how it works. We'll just turn it on, and yeah, so the slime blocks are getting pushed by the worms back and forth. We have the obsidian here and here just to stop the worms from like unsinking, because if you stop it like in the middle, they might unsink, and this just let them go to the back and forth easily. And we need this hole because mobs might get spawn here, and yeah, they will get pushed like into. Let me show you. Slime blocks will go like through them and then just push them off to the end of the platform. So let's try oh no, that's the wrong one. And let's do night and hard difficulty, and we should see some spawns already. Yeah, you can see spider and a skelly, and they will just drop down. And this works for any type of farm, like Enderman farm or Overworld or Nether, like for golden farm, or maybe a wither skeleton farm, doesn't really matter. And you also, if you don't want the spiders, you can just replace the rows with leaves, and then you don't have the spawning platform for them. Same goes for like magma cubes and stuff like that. So yeah, so it's just a concept right now. It might be kind of laggy on SMP servers, but it doesn't break like ever, at least I haven't found out. As you can see right now, they are actually, the pistons aren't touching each other, but if we run it again, they will just go along without any problem. And this is just one platform. Actually, you can build it as high as you like and just put some hoppers down there, and yeah, it would work pretty great. It just goes back and forth. And as for the sound, if you have the, let's say, collection area down here, you don't actually hear anything, so just see the slimes, not slimes, but pistons go back and forth, and mobs dying. And you can also make it much longer, so, or higher, or even wider. What can I? Okay. Yeah, so that's weird. Where did he spawn? Okay. Yeah, so I guess that's all. I'll get pushed down, and yeah, maybe somebody can use it for something else. Thanks. Bye.